Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. X by 8 factorial equal 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial. So what is the value of x? So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as, if I multiply both sides with 8 factorial, so 8 factorial times x by 8 factorial, 8 factorial times 1 by 6 factorial, plus 8 factorial times 1 by 7 factorial. So we can cancel out this. Now x equal 8 factorial by 6 factorial plus 8 factorial by 7 factorial. Now this 8 factorial, I can write it as 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial. Similarly, 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial. So we can cancel out this. So x equal 8 times 7 is 56 plus 8, which is equals to 64. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.